Stop scrolling.
Yes, stop for 1 second.
What if just a few minutes of English practice today?
Could help you speak more clearly tomorrow.
And what if speaking English did not have to feel scary?
What if it could feel easy
Fun?
and even a little funny?
Then stay here with us.
Because today we're going to practice English speaking in a very simple way.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Smart English Official.
If you want to speak English more confidently, you're in the right place.
Please subscribe to Smart English Official
Like this video
and leave a comment below.
and tell us this.
How often do you practice speaking English?
Every day?
Sometimes.
Or only when your English book starts judging you from the table?
Books do that.
They do.
Okay, James, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Then let's begin.
So, Lima, today's topic is English speaking practice short video.
Yes,
That sounds simple,
it is simple.
but also very useful.
Exactly.
Many English learners think they need 1 hour every day to improve.
But that is not always true.
Sometimes people are busy.
Very busy.
Work, school, family, cooking, cleaning,
And trying to remember where they put their phone.
which is often in their hand.
Yes, a classic human problem.
So today, we want to show everyone something important.
Short English speaking practice can still help you a lot.
Very true.
Even 5 minutes.
Even 3 minutes.
Even 1 strong minute with good speaking practice is useful.
Because practice is practice.
Exactly.
So let me ask you something.
Okay.
Why are short English speaking videos helpful?
They are helpful because they are easy to watch, easy to repeat, and easy to remember.
That is a great answer.
Thank you.
Also, short videos do not feel heavy.
Yes, they feel possible.
That's important.
Very important.
When something feels possible, people do it more.
And when people do it more, they improve more.
So the secret is not always long study.
Sometimes the secret is small daily practice.
I like that.
Me too.
Now, let us imagine a learner.
Okay.
This learner says, I want to speak English well, but I don't have much time.
Then I would say, that's okay. Start small.
Very good.
Watch a short English video.
Listen carefully,
Repeat the sentences.
copy the pronunciation.
And practice again later.
Simple.
Simple, but powerful.
Now, I want to ask something our viewers may be thinking.
What is it?
Can a short video really improve speaking?
Yes, if you use it the right way.
Ah, that is the key.
Exactly.
So, what is the right way?
First, do not only watch.
Very important.
You must speak too.
Your mouth needs practice, not only your eyes.
Yes,
Sometimes learners watch 50 videos.
but say only 3 words.
That is not speaking practice.
That is silent cinema.
So here is step 1.
Listen.
Step 2.
Repeat.
Step 3.
Pause the video and answer by yourself.
That is excellent practice.
For example, if the video says, "What do you do every morning?"
Do not only listen.
Pause and answer.
Say, every morning I wake up at 7, wash my face, and drink coffee.
Or tea.
Or water.
Or nothing if you are still half asleep.
Now, let us give some simple speaking examples for beginners.
Good idea.
I will ask short questions.
And I'll answer in easy English.
Ready?
Ready.
What is your name?
My name is Lima.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading, listening to music, and drinking coffee.
How often do you practice English?
I practice English every day.
Why do you want to improve your English?
I want to improve my English because I want to speak clearly and help more people.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Now, dear viewers, did you notice something?
The answers were simple.
But they were complete.
Yes.
That is one big secret in English speaking.
You do not need difficult words.
You need clear words.
And full sentences.
Exactly. Now, let us talk about confidence.
Ah, yes, confidence. Many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak.
That is very common
Why do you think that happens?
because understanding and speaking are different skills.
Exactly.
Listening is one skill.
Speaking is another skill,
You can understand a lot.
but still feel nervous when it's your turn to talk.
That is why short speaking videos are useful.
Because they give you small chances to speak.
And small chances become big progress over time.
Yes.
Now, Lima, what should learners do if they feel shy?
They should remember this.
What?
You do not need to be perfect.
That is a beautiful sentence.
You just need to try.
Yes.
Maybe your grammar is not perfect.
That is okay.
Maybe your pronunciation is not perfect.
That is okay too.
Maybe you forget a word.
That also happens.
Even to native speakers.
Very true.
Sometimes I walk into a room and forget why I went there.
That is not language learning.
That is life.
Now let us give our viewers a short practice method.
Yes, a very easy one.
Let us call it the 3-time method.
Good name.
Step 1, listen to one short sentence.
For example, I practice English every day.
Step 2, repeat it 3 times.
I practice English every day.
Again,
I practice English every day.
one more time.
I practice English every day.
Step 3, change one part.
For example, I practice English every night.
Or I practice speaking every day.
Or I practice English with my friend.
Excellent.
This helps learners speak more freely.
Not just copy.
Yes, copy first,
Then change.
then create your own sentence.
That is real practice.
Now let us do a mini speaking drill.
Great.
Dear viewers, listen and repeat after us.
Sentence 1.
I want to speak English better.
Sentence 2.
I practice a little every day.
Sentence 3.
Short videos help me learn.
Sentence 4.
I am not perfect, but I am improving.
Sentence 5.
I feel more confident when I practice.
Very nice.
And now, let us make it a little more fun.
Ooh, I like fun.
I will say a wrong sentence.
And I'll fix it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I everyday English practice.
A better sentence is, I practice English every day.
Good.
Next.
Short video is help me.
A better sentence is, short videos help me.
Very nice.
Next one.
I can speaking little English.
A better sentence is, I can speak a little English.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You fix those quickly.
Yes,
You sound proud.
I am proud.
You should get a grammar trophy.
I want a gold one.
We have an imaginary one.
That still counts.
Now, let us talk about something important.
What is that?
Curiosity.
Ah, yes.
If learners stay curious, they keep watching and keep learning.
So, how can we make speaking practice more interesting?
By asking fun questions.
Like what?
Like this.
What is one English sentence you use every day?
Or, what is one word you always forget?
Or, if English were food, what food would it be?
That is a strange question.
But interesting.
Okay, then English is soup.
Soup?
Yes,
Why?
because it has many things inside, and sometimes it is hot and difficult.
That is actually a very good answer.
Thank you.
For me, English is pizza.
Why pizza?
Because almost everyone likes it, but everyone uses different toppings.
That is also a very good answer.
See? English practice can be creative too.
Exactly.
Now, let us show our viewers a natural conversation about speaking practice.
Good idea.
Lima, how do you practice speaking English when you do not have much time?
When I do not have much time, I watch a short English video, repeat the sentences, and try to use the same expressions in my own answers.
That sounds useful.
It is very useful.
Do you practice every day?
I try to practice every day, even if it is only for a few minutes.
Why do you think short practice is effective?
Because it is easier to do regularly. Small daily practice helps build confidence and good habits.
I agree.
What about you, James?
I like to listen to short conversations and repeat them aloud. I also record my voice sometimes.
Oh, that is brave.
Why brave?
Because hearing your own voice can feel very strange at first.
That is true.
The first time I heard my recorded voice, I thought, who is this person?
Yes.
And why do they sound like they need more water?
But recording is still a good idea
Very good.
because it helps you hear your pronunciation.
And it helps you notice mistakes.
Now, let us give viewers some easy expressions they can use in speaking practice videos.
Yes, these are very helpful.
I think,
I think,
in my opinion,
I usually,
I want to,
I need to,
I like,
I don't like,
I'm trying to.
I'm learning how to. These simple expressions can help beginners speak longer.
Exactly.
For example, instead of saying only English hard,
You can say, I think English is hard sometimes, but I am trying to improve.
much better.
Instead of saying only, I like videos,
You can say, I like short English videos because they are easy to watch and easy to remember.
that sounds natural and clear.
Now, James, what is one mistake learners should avoid?
Waiting too long before they start speaking.
Very true.
Some people think, first I will learn more words, then I will speak.
But that day keeps moving farther away.
Exactly.
It is better to start with the words you already know.
Yes,
Simple English today is better than perfect English someday.
that is powerful.
Thank you.
Now let us do one final mini conversation.
Okay.
Why do you like short English speaking practice videos?
I like them because they are quick, simple, and useful. They help me practice without feeling stressed.
What do you usually do while watching them?
I listen, repeat, pause, and answer the questions by myself.
Do you think beginners can improve this way?
Yes, absolutely. If beginners practice often, even for a short time, they can become more confident and speak more naturally.
That is a wonderful answer.
Thank you.
And now, dear viewers, here is the big message of today.
You do not need a perfect plan.
You do not need long study hours every day.
You do not need to know every word.
You just need to start.
One short video,
One small practice,
one brave sentence.
and then another.
That is how progress begins,
Little by little,
day by day.
sentence by sentence.
So, if you sometimes feel slow,
Do not give up.
if you make mistakes,
Keep going.
if you feel shy,
Practice anyway.
because every time you speak,
You become stronger.
thank you so much for watching Smart English Official.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel
Like this video,
and share it with someone who is learning English too.
and now it's your turn.
Leave a comment below and answer this question.
How do you practice speaking English?
Or write one simple English sentence about your daily practice.
We would love to read your answer.
And if you want more easy English conversations
More beginner speaking practice?
and more fun lessons with Lima and James,
Stay with Smart English Official.
keep practicing,
Keep smiling,
keep speaking English.
and remember,
Short practice.
can create big results.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.